So that's what you get when you Swytch. Today we actually got in a Swytch bike e-bike kit, which is very exciting. I have seen their ads on YouTube and you probably have too. This is a very discharged battery according to the customer. He got some part from his bike stolen. It took a while to replace them and now it's not working, not taking a charge. 42.6 volts. What? That's fairly high. And it has this panel. And it has the controller and the battery next to each other. And here is... And it also has an on-off switch for the battery. And a bit of tape. Here we have 36 volt, 2.5 lithium ion. So that's actually really high. It's not unheard of and it's not really dangerous. But it's not optimal. 42.7. Oh, there you have the battery connector. Maybe the controller is sticking, yeah, it's sticking to it. Nice, and it actually has... Oh, it should be easily serviceable. Cool. Cool. I was thinking plastic welding or something, but... Let's not hope it's lipos. It feels like 18650s, but a lot of silicone. Yeah, it's a little scary sticking metal thingy in here, but I just hope it's well built. Best way is to actually cut open this. If it has adhesive in the bottom. Now we can actually get to measuring. Oh, it's 38.1. So my guess is a dead cell group or a low cell group. 4.14, so imbalance. 4.07, 3.1, 4.14, 2.36. So there is the problem, and that can actually be salvaged. 4.1, 378, 417. So I do want to have a look at what cells they're using, but I don't think I need to remove it from this enclosure. Hopefully we can steal a peek. Oh, Chinese cell. Saw it right away. And it says 3.7 volts, 9.62 watt hours, INR 18650E, and then a long serial number. So generic Chinese cells at 2.6 ampere hours. So that's what you get when you Swytch. And really cool product actually. I haven't tried it, but this we can fix. It will be complicated to balance, but that is why it's not turning on. One cell group is just below the acceptable voltage level. And I really like that it's semi-serviceable. Nice little kit. Thank you very much.